Hi guys! For today's video, let us check the price list of Panasonic refrigerator. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when we have new video. There are 6 different types of Panasonic refrigerators. They have the single-door direct cool, 2-door direct cool inverter, 2-door no frost inverter, bottom freezer inverter, and the French door refrigerator. They also have upright freezer single-door inverter. The price that we're going to check here is the comparison between the sale price of Anson's appliances and Crusher 𝐕𝐴ppliancestrading. Disclaimer: the price may change without prior notice. Let's start with this model. 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐿 7.6 cubic 2-door direct cool inverter. The SRP is 18,339 pesos. Anson's sale price is 16,559 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price is 15,790 pesos only. Next is the 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐞 241VS 8.7 cubic 2-door direct cool inverter. The SRP is 18,889 pesos. Anson's price 16,999 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 16,290 pesos only. Next model is 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐞 261VB 9.4 cubic 2-door direct cool inverter. SRP is 23,999 pesos. Anson's price 19,499 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 18,790 only. Next on our list is the 𝐒𝐚𝐴 260VS 9.0 cubic 2-door no frost inverter. The SRP is 21,699 pesos. Anson's price 19,499 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 18,690 pesos only. Next model is the 𝐒𝐴 381PKPH 12.9 cubic 2-door no frost inverter. The SRP 33,299 pesos. Anson's price 29,999 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 27,990 pesos only. Next model is the 𝐒𝐴 X421BP SP 13.4 cubic bottom freezer no frost inverter. The SRP is 42,199 pesos. Anson's price 39,999 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 34,690 pesos only. Next is the 𝐒𝐴 C360X SPH 11.3 cubic bottom freezer no frost inverter. SRP is 34,499 pesos. Anson's price 29,999 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price is 28,790 pesos only. Next model is the 𝐒𝐴 X471CP SP 14.4 cubic. The SRP is 44,399 pesos. Anson's price 39,899 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 37,190 pesos. Next on our list is the 𝐒𝐴 Z601VGKP 19.4 cubic French door inverter. The SRP is 76,599 pesos. Anson's price 67,999 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 62,190 pesos only. Last model is the 𝐒𝐴 W631VCTP 25 cubic French door inverter. The SRP is 135,299 pesos. Anson's price 109,999 pesos. Crusher 𝐕 price 98,490 pesos only. All the model that I mentioned is the available display unit in the store. If you want to know the price of the full lineup of Panasonic refrigerators, please check the description down below. I will end the video here, guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Guys, we continue to give away the LG FP9 wireless UV Nano earbuds worth 8,990 pesos. If you want to join, just like, subscribe, and share this video with any other social media platform. We will be choosing one of our lucky subscribers to win when our channel reach 1,500 subscriber.